Hello YouTube, it's me Jill, and I just want to make another video with my guns here. This is not self-defense, where the video I showed which one is the best airsoft or pellet gun to use to protect your home if you don't have any real guns. This is nothing like this. This is called the can test to see what gun is the best of penetrating through a can. You know, what gun to use about like 10 feet away. And I just want to go over these guns again, just in case you don't know what any of these guns are. And at the end of the video, I will show you a trick. How to make a buckshot, a buckshot with this guy right here. I'll go over these guns again, just in case you guys don't know. This gun right here looks like a 19 Colt 45. It is a marksman repeater, and it shoots a whole kinds of stuff. It shoots pellets, it shoots BBs, which you could put in the magazine on front of the barrel. 16, I counted up to 21 I think. And it shoots darts and bolts, and it shoots the 177. I got the Super Point con I'm going to use today. I have no ammo for this guy. I mean, no ammo case, you know. But this is the M4 with detachable stock. You could put what you know, change the size if you want it to, you know, stuff like that. It comes with a flashlight. You hook it up to there. It comes with a front pistol grips. Comes with a laser, like a laser scope, whatever those things are called. But this shoots 6mm airsoft bullets, BBs I mean, which are yellow. This is the 2240 pellet bolt action CO2 cartridge gun. I'm really accurate. I made a video where I shot 16 yards with this guy. And first of all, I shoot 45 now, which I will make a video of that in the summer. And I might be able to get my hands on a real 22. Today I'll be shooting hollow point, and it's from Primer, I think. And it comes with the CO2 cartridge 5-pack. I told someone it costs $12, but it really costs $5.99 or $6.99, something like that. So let's get on with the video. I don't want it to be more than 6 minutes. Didn't load them yet. Oh shit. Pops up like that. Put in the barrel. Not the square magazine that's sitting on top of it. Close it. Push the slide back. Locks it in place. Oh, heard that bounce. I will show the damage after. So that can is done. Next up, the M4. People get mixed up with this one, but it's an M4. Not an AR-15 either. M4. Got that magazine in. Ow, that was loud. Damn it. Magazine out. Now, it's time for the most powerful and my favorite 2240, 2240, however you want to put it. Doesn't matter to me. I already pulled the bolt back, so that's okay. Put it in, close the action. So I'm safe. I just took it off. Still some more beer in there. Oh shit. Oh. Just beer. I washed them first before I use them. Here we go. Empty. Safe. Okay, now I'm gonna show the guns one more time. Very good. First one I used was the Marksman repeater. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the damage right there. Didn't even go in. So I give that a 2.5. This one, the M4, it did a much more damage, but didn't go through. Tell the difference between the damages, if you can see that. Look here and there. 2.5, 3, I guess, out of 10 for all of them. Now, oh my god. Oh, that completely came right out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. You can actually see right through, I think. No. But it went through, as you can see. I'll give this 10. Okay, I did the wad. I mean the buckshot. Use 3 BBs. Doesn't matter. You take Kleenex, pull the bolt down, put the Kleenex in there, throw some 3 BBs, and put some more Kleenex, just like your loaded musket, so it stays nice and packed. So here we go. The buckshot. Oh shit, it's not safe. Holy shit. Let's check it out.